Hi, welcome back. This video, I am working on my March of 2020 and trying to catch up on my project life. So I decided, I have so many story kits, I decided to just randomly choose one, kind of do that story kit crush. So I just randomly picked one. I picked out habits. I went to the first spread that I needed to finish, and that was the last of February. And I decided to kind of do this while I was watching some Allie Edwards videos and things, so I didn't really do it in my normal workspace. So I was sitting on the couch, and so here I just kind of show you every time I kind of do a little bit here and there, I just kind of step through it. So you'll notice that as I'm going through and trying to finish up 2020, it's very photo heavy and not very wordy. And that is just mostly to try and keep it simple and not like stress out about trying to remember what happened and all of that stuff. So that was, so now here I'm going through March, and I'm just using the different kits. I'm going through and checking my Instagram to see if anything like jogs some memories. And I didn't really Instagram a whole lot during this time. We were all at home. This is the second spread of March, I think. And we were really this is when lockdown happened and everybody was just sitting around at home. And so I am thankful that I have a lot of photos. I just don't have a ton of words, but it really is a lot of doing the same things over and over. So I went through and I randomly picked another one. And so this time I'm working with you, and then I think I go through, and the next spread I just kind of use habits and you, and I kind of try and use as much of those kits as I can. So this is spread 3, so around the third weekish. I kind of just put the photos in chronologically, and sometimes it's a week, sometimes it's a little less, sometimes it's a little more. So I don't really stress too much about the exact dates. I just try and roughly put it in chronologically. This one, I kind of just cut up pieces of journaling cards because I had filled all of the spots with photos. And luckily I did do some journaling back in March, April-ish, and printed those out. So that was nice. And here I am. I'm all done. I have the end of February and all of March finished. Sorry about the kind of bad quality of the video, but as you can see, some of that stuff I did do in real time. So you can see the quarantine interview. I did that back in March or maybe early April, and same with the video or the screenshots of the news. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more. I am going to be working on April and May, and hopefully start working on 2021 as well. All right, thanks.